Okay, so here we are. This is the 750 Li 2011. I just picked this up not too long ago. We're getting all types of error codes. Right now what I'm doing is getting these error messages read via Beamer link. Very nice ceramic kind of feel to it. So we're going to see what it says here. Junction box error, digital engine error, parking error, brake, car access system function. Let's see. Electronics. Yeah. So what we're gonna do is 26 errors. We should try to erase all the errors, clear the errors. See what happens. Now if the car catches on fire, don't blame me. Clearing failed. Not allied errors could be cleared. Please try again. Okay. Well, now it says we have 4 errors. As you can see, the transmission light is off. Only the ABS sensor is on now. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to see right now, it says all around view. Everything is clear. It only has 4 errors on the tire pressure monitor. So we just cleared all the errors to see how it drives now. Okay, so bam, disconnect. So we're back at it here again. As you can see, we're driving the 750. It's looking immaculate. I love how it looks in here, man. The interior is super nice. It's like that good, like that quality ass Italian leather. I don't know what kind of leather it is, where it's from or what, but it's spectacular. It's not like mine. It's not like the other, like the 5 Series. The 5 Series has different seats. As you can tell, this one has these, like, I don't know, they're like rough, but they're like solid, like well made. And I like this screen too. As you can see, I got rid of the, what is it called? What was it? The check engine light was right there, and it's off now. So all of this got cleaned up. There was that light on, and then it kept popping up on the screen, which was, hey, the oil, no, not the oil, the coolant level was low, and check the tire pressure sensor. That's obviously still there, because that's gonna stay there, because I don't have no tire pressure sensors in on the wheels. I'll show you the wheels in just a second. If not, I'll go ahead and add it here.
Hey, yeah, look. I'm getting this money, I'm stacking it up. Smoking this dope and I'm packing it up. I see it up and I'm sticking them up. I'm blinking them up, I'm sticking them up. Getting this money, I'm stacking it up. Smoking this dope and I'm packing it up. I see it up and I'm sticking them up. I'm blinking them up, I'm sticking them up. Baby, you tripping, you doing too much. I be off lean, I be sipping too much. You telling stories, you saying too much. You saying too much, you saying too much. I feel like damn, how I'm coming in clutch. I feel like damn, how I'm coming in clutch. I'm coming in clutch, I'm coming in clutch. I don't know nothing about such and such. I don't know nothing about such and such.
But yeah, so once that gets done, we cleared those out. It hasn't been popping up. It still drives a little funky. We already scheduled a appointment with the service center, and basically it's a recall. What's going on is we have a recall on something to do with a turbo, it says, if I'm not mistaken. I'll add that little screenshot here. I'll add that there. And yeah, as you can see on the screenshot, it's a recall for a turbo. and it's been a recall. It's been open since 2018. So I just got this car not too long ago, and it's really just been sitting around. It was supposed to be a project, but I never got around to it as much. But now, as you can see, we're on it, we're in it, it's driving well. We're gonna see exactly what goes on in the coming days after we take it to the service center. We'll give you some. So like, comment, and subscribe if you have. I think it's an F01, F02, 750 Li. If you do, let me know if you had some problems with it. What you get? Well, you know what kind of problems they were. If you're able to resolve them. Did you do the recall? Has anybody done the recall? It's like a customer. It's not even a recall. It's a customer care plan or something like that. CCP. So let me know what happens in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Nice grill. Give me the X3. Definitely. With the big board caliber. We definitely got an X1 with the black sapphire. That bitch is crazy though. Right here. This bitch is a cream of crop right here. With the, what is this, 20s? Oh, these are 19s. big night vision sensor on the bottom. Oh man.